My name is Nokulunga Ntokazi Entlego Tenjogwayo. Welcome to PSL Pulse. Right about now, I'm standing with one of our hosts, Orlando Pirates fan. Hi, how are you?
Ngiyaphila sasamkhonjani?
Ngiyaphila. Just one question. Nemtajela. What do you think of him?
John Wick Bafethu. Masindi Nemtajela is one of the players who came with something unique to Orlando Pirates because of Orlando Pirates we've been struggling with number 8 that's usually comfortable on the ball. Number 1, Masindi Nemtajela, what I like about him is that whenever he's a player that he reminds me of so many players of Bafana Nabo Vilakazi. He knows how to collect the ball from the back, and then he knows how to play long passes, he knows how to play short passes, and then we are Tolagala, that's a boxing. Our number 8, I won't mention names, but usually most of the time, but Batala Square with our number 6, of which they usually play. So we are with double number 6s. But with Masindi Nemtajela, whenever it's time to defend, he comes and helps the team. Whenever it's time to attack, we are push as well. So that's what I love about him. I saw him at some point, more especially in the first half. The second got double number 10 and Anotito. So he's bringing something very unique in the team. It's going to help us a lot.
He's a very unique player. You say he collects the ball, as you say. He's also helping and attacking. But what I want to ask to you right now is that would you recommend Makgopa as a starter for this game this Saturday?
Honestly speaking, I would say no. I prefer to go to Skaleng or Sniper, which is Tshegofatso Mabasa, because of we need as many goals as possible. So looking at the stats, 2 seasons back when we won 7-1 against the Golden Arrows, Tshegofatso Mabasa was there and he scored a hat-trick. Last season, I don't know if you remember when he played against Marumo Gallants, 8-1. Tshegofatso Mabasa was there and another hat-trick. So with the evidence, Makgopa, he scores goals there, but then what I've noticed about him, I feel like he unama limits when it comes to him. Goal 2 is enough in a match, whereas evidence Tshegofatso Mabasa, he just keeps on banging them. Yeah, what I like although about evidence Makgopa, he usually comes and collects the ball. Whenever a ball but then with the game Saturday, we just need a striker who's gonna stay on the box, and we all know who's the striker. Tshegofatso Mabasa is the striker, and so I feel like he's the striker that's gonna have to start with. Makgopa can come in the second half. Good player, but yeah.
To both players, Makgopa, a striker that will be able to let his forwards score a goal. And also we have Mabasa, who is a box striker. Whenever you need him in the box, he is there. So great point. This is PSL Pulse. Do subscribe, like, and share. Good night.